Hi viewers, welcome to the video Cleanse Your 5 Elements Panchabhuta Shuddhi. If you like the video, you subscribe, press the bell button and share. Learnings and sharings. Now we are going to listen gratitude to Panchabhuta.
आकाशाय विद्महे नभो देवाय धीमहि तन्नो गगनः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ विद्यात्मनाय विद्महे महिस्वरूपाय धीमहि तन्नो वायुः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ लालीलाय विद्महे वैश्वानराय धीमहि तन्नो अग्निः प्रचोदयात्। जीवदेवाय विद्महे कन्दर्पकलाय धीमहि तन्नो जलः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भास्कराय विद्महे महद्युतिकराय धीमहि तन्नो आदित्यः प्रचोदयात्।
Now we are going to see the elements within you. Actually, elements which are outside are within us. It is also important, apart from the physical and mental detoxification of ourselves, we need to cleanse our own 5 elements. When your elements become pure, you instinctively know the difference between right and wrong and what all you can do to make your life better. Now, cleansing of earth. Your first element is the earth. In this busy world of today, where we all live in concrete jungles, it is important to keep yourself in touch with the ground. And in a literal sense, the earth is what bore us. So we need to give some back to it. Try to go for a walk every day to a place where you can feel the grass under you. Spend some time with nature. The next is cleansing of water. This is one of the most important since our body is 72% made of water. We need to treat water right before it enters your system. Only then we can respect it. Care for your drinking water. Drinking enough water gives you life. When you are low on fluid, you certainly feel weakness. Be more appreciative of your water by using an eye-pleasing glass container that reflects the purity and simple beauty of the water, so that you feel uplifted with each sip. Bless your water. It's time for a little visualization. Imagine or sense the positive quality you wish to amplify in the water before you drink. Feel gratitude for the water that is about to cleanse, heal and nourish all the cells in your body. Cleanse your body every day. This will ensure better sleep as well as deeper and less dream energy consuming slumber. It helps you to be less restless once the negative energy is gone. Rituals. Many rituals are easy and simple and you don't need anything particularly special. Keep a mindset of cleansing as you perform them. The next is cleansing of hair. Even though hair is a small composition in the 5 elements, it is an extremely important element. It is important that the air you breathe is clean and free of bacteria. You can do this by practicing deep breathing in the morning. Then plant some trees as well whenever you are free. This idea behind this is to get more air in your lungs so that your body gets cleansed from inside. The more air you get it, the more free your mind will feel. Once and always. Practice some simple breathing exercise once in a day. It will detoxify your system. The next is cleansing of fire. What kind of fire burns inside you, us? This is to be checked. Is it greedy, hatred, anger, lust, love, or compassion? Time to time we need to keep checking what exactly going on. The more you let this fire burns in your system, the better your personality will become. It is important to keep this fire under control. Light a lamp every day in your house. This will cleanse all the negative vibration of your house. Once you do this, you should also sit around this lamp and say your prayers. It will help you in feeling calmer, kinder, and also make you positive. Do simple homa. Learn how to perform havan at home without the help of a pandit. Everyday homa will bring in a lot of positivism in your life. Next is cleansing of Akash. This element is endless, same like the sky. The options of cleansing your Akash elements too are very abundant. Anything you do positive can better your Akash element. One thing to do is to get up early in the morning and look the sun in the eye. While saying thanks to you, on the other hand, when the sun is at its peak, bow down to it and express gratitude. Practice Surya Arghya. Offer water to sun. Sun is the source of energy for the entire universe. In Vedic astrology, sun is considered as the significator of body, health, eyes, social status, father, political career, ancestral properties, influential family name and profession. That is why Surya Arghya offering at sunrise was given importance. And then it is all about the reflection of our inner world to the outer world. Be grateful and everything will be great. We'll meet again in my next video, learnings and sharing.